Removing nail polish doesn't have to be a tedious task. The right nail polish remover can make all the difference in terms of effectiveness, ease, and care for your nails. Whether you're dealing with stubborn gel polish or simply need a gentle remover for regular polish, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best nail polish removers to keep your nails clean, healthy, and ready for your next fabulous look. Let's dive into our top picks. Kicking off our list at number 1, Zoya Remove Plus. Zoya Remove Plus is a favorite among nail care enthusiasts for its gentle yet effective formula. This remover is ideal for removing polish quickly without drying out your nails or skin. It's enriched with natural ingredients, making it a great option for those who prefer a more natural approach to nail care while still needing a powerful polish remover. Key features: Zoya Remove Plus is a 3-in-1 product that works as a nail polish remover, cleanser, and prep solution. It's free of harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP, making it safe for those with sensitive skin. This remover is designed to break down polish quickly, while its hydrating formula nourishes your nails and cuticles, ensuring a smooth finish after every use. Benefits and usage. The key benefit of Zoya Remove Plus is its ability to remove polish effectively without drying out your nails. This makes it perfect for those who frequently change their nail color and want to keep their nails hydrated and healthy. Simply apply a small amount to a cotton pad and swipe across your nails for a quick, thorough polish removal. Its natural ingredients also make it ideal for anyone looking for a more eco-friendly and non-toxic option. Usability. Zoya Remove Plus is easy to use and works efficiently. The formula is not overly oily, which makes it pleasant to apply. It's perfect for removing regular polish, and it works well on glitter polish or even darker shades. The non-acetone solution ensures a gentler experience, reducing the risk of irritation on your skin, and it's quick drying, meaning you can immediately proceed with your next manicure. Durability. Zoya Remove Plus is durable in terms of its performance, providing quick and thorough removal with minimal effort. While it may not be the most powerful option for removing heavy-duty gel or long-wear polishes, it works exceptionally well for regular use on traditional nail colors. Its hydrating qualities ensure your nails feel smooth and nourished after use, making it a staple for anyone looking for an everyday remover that doesn't compromise nail health. In the second spot, we have Cutex Ultra-Powerful. Cutex Ultra-Powerful is a strong, no-nonsense nail polish remover that's designed for fast and effective polish removal. It's a great option for those who need a remover that can handle even the most stubborn nail polish, including glitter and gel formulas. With its potent formula, Cutex Ultra-Powerful ensures your nails are cleaned up in no time, making it a must-have in your nail care routine. Key features. This remover is formulated with a powerful blend of acetone and other ingredients that make it efficient at removing even the most stubborn polish. Cutex Ultra-Powerful is ideal for removing dark or glittery nail polishes, which can be notoriously difficult to get rid of. Despite its strength, the formula also contains skin conditioners to help prevent excessive dryness. Benefits and usage. Cutex Ultra-Powerful is perfect for those who frequently use long-lasting or heavily pigmented nail polishes that require a stronger formula for removal. Simply soak a cotton pad with the remover and press it against your nails for a few seconds before gently wiping away the polish. It removes even the toughest glitter or gel nails with ease, leaving your nails clean without a lot of scrubbing. Usability. The powerful formula of Cutex Ultra-Powerful ensures that you won't have to repeatedly scrub your nails to get the job done. Its efficiency means you can remove polish quickly, with less effort compared to other removers. However, due to the strength of its formula, it can be drying, so it's important to follow up with a moisturizer or cuticle oil after use to keep your nails and surrounding skin hydrated. Durability. Cutex Ultra-Powerful excels in durability when it comes to removing tough polish. It can handle even the most persistent colors and finishes, including glitter, metallic, and gel formulations. While it's effective, its acetone base can be drying, so regular use might cause some nail or skin dryness. For best results, follow up with a nourishing hand cream or oil to maintain nail health. Coming in at number 3 is the OPI Expert Touch. OPI Expert Touch is a professional-grade nail polish remover known for its gentleness and effectiveness. It's formulated to provide a thorough yet gentle removal process, making it perfect for those who want a high-quality remover that is easy on their nails and skin. OPI has been a trusted brand for years, and this remover is no exception, delivering a flawless finish without the harshness of some other formulas. Key features: OPI Expert Touch is formulated with a combination of acetone and natural ingredients that help nourish and protect your nails. This remover is fast-acting and works to remove all types of nail polish, including stubborn formulas like glitter and dark colors. The gentle yet effective formula ensures that your nails aren't stripped of moisture, leaving them hydrated after use. Benefits and usage: the major benefit of OPI Expert Touch is its ability to effectively remove all types of nail polish without drying out your nails. Whether you're removing a standard polish or a more stubborn glitter or gel finish, this remover can handle it. Simply apply it to a cotton pad and gently wipe across your nails. It works quickly to break down polish, leaving your nails clean and smooth without excessive scrubbing. Usability: OPI Expert Touch is easy to use and efficient. The formula is gentle on the nails, but it doesn't compromise on performance. The acetone base makes it strong enough for tough polish, yet the additional ingredients help ensure that your nails stay moisturized. It's perfect for both at-home and salon use, and its non-drying formula makes it a great option for regular use without worry. Durability: OPI Expert Touch is highly durable, providing a long-lasting solution for polish removal. The formula is strong enough to remove stubborn polish, and it's gentle enough to use frequently without damaging your nails. While it might not be as fast as some more acetone-heavy removers, it offers excellent performance with minimal risk of dryness or irritation. It's a great option for anyone who needs a reliable, gentle remover that works over time. Taking our 4th spot is Sally Hansen Strengthening. Sally Hansen Strengthening Nail Polish Remover is a go-to for anyone looking to maintain their nails' health while removing polish. Formulated with added nutrients like vitamin E and keratin, it helps strengthen nails while effectively removing polish. It's a great choice for those who want a remover that works without sacrificing the health of their nails. Key features: this remover is enriched with strengthening ingredients that promote healthier nails as you remove polish. The formula includes keratin and vitamin E, both known for their nail-strengthening properties, as well as a combination of acetone and non-acetone ingredients. It effectively removes all types of polish, including stubborn formulas, while nourishing your nails in the process. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of Sally Hansen Strengthening is its ability to remove polish without compromising nail health. It's perfect for those who want to keep their nails strong and nourished, even with frequent polish changes. Simply apply it to a cotton pad and swipe across your nails for quick and easy removal. It's great for anyone looking for a healthier alternative to traditional removers that might leave nails feeling dry or brittle. Usability: this remover is easy to apply and works efficiently. The formula is not too harsh, yet it's powerful enough to remove even stubborn nail polishes. The addition of strengthening agents makes it ideal for regular use, ensuring your nails stay in good condition. The bottle design is also user-friendly, making it easy to dispense the right amount of remover. Durability: Sally Hansen Strengthening offers long-term durability in terms of both performance and nail health. While it's not as fast as some other removers, its added strengtheners ensure that your nails remain healthy and strong over time. This remover is a great choice for anyone who frequently removes polish and needs a gentle, nourishing formula to prevent damage from frequent use. And finally, at number 5, we have Pure Acetone by Onyx. Onyx Pure Acetone is a powerful and highly effective nail polish remover. This remover is ideal for those who need a fast, reliable solution to remove even the most stubborn polish, including gel, acrylics, and glitter. Onyx offers a pure acetone formula that works quickly and efficiently, making it a great option for serious nail care enthusiasts. Key features: the key feature of Onyx Pure Acetone is its potency. This remover is made with 100% acetone, ensuring it removes polish quickly and thoroughly. It's especially effective for gel or acrylic nails, which require a stronger formula for removal. Despite its potency, it also contains moisturizing ingredients to help minimize drying effects on your nails. Benefits and usage. Onyx Pure Acetone is perfect for those who frequently use long-lasting nail polish or need a strong solution for removing gel or acrylic nails. It's designed to break down even the toughest polish with ease. Simply apply it to a cotton pad and press it against your nails for a few seconds to remove the polish quickly. It's fast and efficient, perfect for those on the go. Usability. Onyx Pure Acetone is incredibly easy to use, with fast results. It's a straightforward product that gets the job done, making it perfect for anyone looking for a fast-acting remover. While it's extremely effective, the pure acetone formula can be drying, so it's important to follow up with a moisturizing treatment after use to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated. Durability. Onyx Pure Acetone is durable in terms of performance, providing reliable results each time you use it. It works well on all types of polish, including stubborn gel and acrylics. However, its drying effects can be a downside for some users, so it's best to use it sparingly and follow up with a nourishing treatment to maintain your nails' health. There you have it. We've explored the top 5 best nail polish removers to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Whether you want strength, gentleness, or nail care benefits, each of these removers has its unique strengths. Be sure to choose the one that best fits your routine and keeps your nails looking their best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews.